How to share laptop screen and control it. To share your laptop screen and control it remotely, you'll have to download the AnyDesk on your device. It works across Windows, macOS, Linux, and even mobile devices. All you have to do is open a web browser, then in search address bar, type down AnyDesk and hit enter and search for it. Navigate to its official website, and all you have to do is download it to your device. Choose the version of the AnyDesk according to your device. If you are using Windows, then you'll get to see Windows option available there, and choose one and download it. Now, once the download has been completed, open AnyDesk on your device. So let me say it again, it works for all the softwares or devices such as Windows, MacBook, Linux. Now open the AnyDesk on your device and you will see your AnyDesk address at the top. So there you can see your AnyDesk address, a number or code like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And all you have to do is share your AnyDesk address with the person who wants to connect. Make sure that they also have downloaded the AnyDesk app on their device in order to connect it. And if you want to connect someone else's, then all you have to do is type down the search remote address and type down someone else's address above there. And once they grant you the permission, you will have the control of that laptop as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.